Are you ready for the ultimate Greek getaway? Picture this: watching the sunset over Santorini, sipping wine at a cliffside vineyard, sailing through crystal clear waters, and walking through the ancient ruins of Athens, all while traveling in pure luxury and style. Join Lux Escapes Travel from July 9th, 2025 for a 10-day adventure through Athens, Mykonos, and Santorini. Hit that like button if Greece is on your bucket list. Hey everyone, I'm Heather Williams, founder of Lux Escapes Travel, where we create unforgettable, stress-free luxury group travel experiences. And in July 2025, we're heading to Greece for a once-in-a-lifetime journey, and I want you to come with us. This is more than just a vacation. It's a VIP experience filled with breathtaking views, rich history, and exclusive luxury activities. Let me give you a sneak peek. Drop a GR in the comments if Greece is calling your name. What's included in this exclusive Greece experience? Wine tasting tour, sample Greece's finest wines overlooking the Aegean Sea, flying dress photo shoot, capture stunning Santorini moments in a flowing gown, traditional Greek cooking class, master authentic Mediterranean dishes, spa day at a 5-star resort, relax, refresh, and rejuvenate. Athens highlights includes welcome and farewell dinner at a rooftop restaurant with breathtaking views of the Acropolis. Mykonos vibes give way to scenic ferry ride to Mykonos, lounge on golden beaches, and soak in the island's chic atmosphere. Explore famous nightlife with our exclusive city and island tour. Santorini magic includes sail at sunset on a luxury catamaran with dinner and drinks. Swim in natural hot springs, a one-of-a-kind experience, luxury and stress-free travel. Stay in hand-picked 5-star hotels with unbeatable views. Who's ready to experience Greece like never before? Drop a wave in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on exclusive luxury travel experiences. Spots are limited, and this trip will sell out fast. If you're ready to make this dream trip happen, here's how. Click the link below to explore the itinerary and secure your spot. Book early and save 38% with our limited time pricing. Join our exclusive subscriber list for insider info and webinar dates. Trip dates July 9th, 2025. Destinations Athens, Mykonos, Santorini, limited time pricing. Save 38% when you book early. Don't wait, this is the Greek escape you've been dreaming of. Let's make 2025 your most luxurious and exciting travel year yet. Visit www.designyourluxescapestravel.com now before spots are gone. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on exclusive luxury travel experiences. Tell me in the comments, what are you most excited for in Greece? The sunsets, the food, the history? Let's chat. Tag a friend who needs to experience Greece with you. See you in Greece 2025.